Alright guys, so we're shooting behind the scenes of Missin ክሳብ እንራኸብ featuring Ftsum Beraki. This is like take what? How many takes did we do so far?
Take 54.
Take 54? Yeah. Alright, sometimes take 58. Daniel is
always
zabuttling us with the food. Yes, and this is a treat. Raphael's just, I don't know what Raphael's doing, to be honest. Oh yeah, Raphael's the DJ for now. He just clicks this. Moses broke his arm right before the video clip. Such a sad life for Moses.
Crazy. Yeah, my dad is here with us. He joined us. What do you think so far? Do you like the video clip?
Yes, the starting is very good.
Yeah.
I hope we can continue like that. You have to work hard, man.
Yes, yes.
Hopefully.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let me see what Daniel's doing right now. Yo, we're literally 5 hours behind schedule, Daniel. Come on, man. Yo, come on, man. You can't be eating on set. You can't be eating on set.
This is the best.
This is what we have on set, guys. This is the only thing.
Food. We didn't bring any food.
People,
It's like the only snack we got. But
yeah.
the best.
Yeah, it's actually.
We got it from Eritrean. No, we didn't.
No, we didn't. Come on, stop lying.
I'm freezing. I need to start recording though.
George legit thinks he's a professional cameraman.
Where is he running?
Do the shoot, shoot. Let's go. Oh. Damn, you've been playing too much Fortnite, man. Come on, D, we need to start recording. We're literally 5 hours behind schedule. I think that's the reason you broke your hand, man. Karma.
No.
Karma. What are you doing? Sick transition. Oh, let's get it. I dare you to swim. Come on, jump on the swimming pool. Jump. She doesn't know how to swim. Jump.
You dare me to swim?
Is it almost? No, you're gonna fall. Daniel only puts his feet in and he thinks he knows how to swim.
Very sure.
After a really long day of work, you just come here and relax. Oh, I'm tanning right now. No, I'm not tanning, I'm black. Never mind.
Oh my God.
Daniel's tanning.
Yo,
Yalla.
we're done. You know what time it is?
Yo, boon time. Sick angle. Let's go. Mankashkishi. What? Mankashkishi. Damn, you broke your hand? Okay, never mind.
You know what time it is after we're done?
How can you kashkish when you have a broken arm?
This is why I broke my hand.
Oh, no way. Yeah? Huh. Damn.
But you know what? I got you guys, man.
Alright, bon until Satsati.
Bon until 4th.
Yo, lit. Look at it, guys. Just look at this. Look at this view. Come on, how can you not have a good video clip?
Come on, guys.
Cameraman.
No. Forget it.
Moses didn't have to go all Beyonce, guys.
No, we got, man.
He wants it to go all Beyonce. Come on. Yeah. Look, close your eyes. Hold on, close your eyes.
Your hair is gonna be all wavy and
yeah, just like Beyonce. I'm gonna insert a Beyonce clip right here. You're gonna look exactly like that.
Yo, what's going on? Vlog section.
Oops. What are you vlogging?
What are you vlogging?
I'm vlogging you, vlogging me.
Vlogging you. Yo, waste your time. Yo, this guy really wants to swim. Daniel's naked.
But I'm gonna blur it, don't worry. Daniel's naked, guys. Explosive behind the scenes. This is how Moses looks like. Yo, lit. No. Oh my God, man, this guy's crazy. George, stop. Perfect. Khalas, done.
Such a good shot, bro.
It's a wrap. One more time. Come on.
You guys already have one?
Yeah.
Alright, khalas, done.
Stop.
Okay, let's go.
Focus. Moses.
Action.
Whenever you're ready, George. Click.
I have to do everything for him, bro.
Yalla.
What? Is that?
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Hey!
Stupid.
جيتاركم ارقصوا له حرايق يلا
George, you can sit down. You can sit down there. I'm gonna sit here.
Guys, they're currently filming the music video, and can someone explain what's going on? What the hell is going on? Oh my god. I hope it turns out good though.